Welcome to Lernen wir Deutsch. In this lesson, we're covering one of the most essential topics in German, the articles der, die, and das. In German, every noun has a grammatical gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. The article tells you which gender a noun belongs to, and yes, you do need to learn it for every word. Der is the masculine article, der Mann, the man. Der Hund, the dog, der Tisch, the table. Die is the feminine article, die Frau, the woman, die Katze, the cat, die Schule, the school. Das is the neuter article, das Kind, the child, das Buch, the book, das Haus, the house. Now, here is a key rule you must remember. All plural nouns use die, regardless of gender. Der Mann becomes die Männer, das Kind becomes die Kinder, die Katze becomes die Katzen. Here is a pro tip. Always learn each new noun together with its article. Say der Tisch, not just Tisch. The more you practice them as one unit, the more natural it becomes. Keep practicing at learnenwirdeutsch.com. Practical German for work and real life.